In this video, I will show you how to connect your Canva website to your hosting or domain. So doing this is fairly simple. What you want to do first is go to your Canva website and then click Publish Website. And then here you have your site address URL. Now it's already live, but what you want to do is click on Edit and then here click Get a New Domain. Now here just select Bring Your Own Domain from a third party, which in this case is Hostinger, and then click Continue. Now here simply type in the domain that you bought on Hostinger, which for me is this one, and then click Continue. And then you will need to point some DNS records. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. Just click Review Steps, and they have made it pretty simple. So first just going to copy the value right here, and you can see you need to add an A record. So now go to Hostinger, then go to Domains, and then here go to Manage, then go to your DNS and name servers. And then here just go ahead and click on Manage. And then here, if you have any current DNS records, just going to delete those and then add a new one. So in this case, we do need to add an A record, and the first part is a root. So just enter the root, which for me, it is there automatically. And then just paste in the points to, that is the value right there. So then click Add Record. Then once you click Record Added, you will need to add another one, so another A record with www as the name and points to, go and copy it. So do the same thing, get an A record, but now for the name, make it www and paste in the points to, and click Add Record and confirm. And then we need to add one more record, which is a txt record with a root and then the points to, simply copy that again. And then on the Hostinger now we want to add a txt record, so simply type that in. And then for the name, a root and the value, just paste in what you copied. And then click Add Record. So after adding the two A records and the txt record, go back to Canva and click Record Edit, and then I have updated my DNS records. And now you can see it's usually done within 20 minutes, but it can take up to 72 hours in some cases for the DNS records to fully update. So once they are fully updated, then you will be able to reach your Canva website using the hosting or domain that you bought. So that can take some time, so just give it some time to update, and that is how you can connect your Canva website to your hosting or domain. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.